Hello, and welcome to Central Elgin's virtual open house. We've assembled a variety of virtual looks at all of our curricular and extracurricular offerings throughout this website. Please feel free to explore. In this video, we want to talk to you about why we believe that there is a CECI difference and how it can be distilled into 3 easy ideas: safe, small, and success for all.
CECI boasts one of the lowest suspension rates in the entire board.
We have an increasingly diverse population. This leads us to be a very inclusive school.
Our students look out for and accept each other, which strengthens our school community.
I went to a small high school and a small university, and I can tell you there are some big advantages to small. Here at CECI, we have a true community. It's hard to get lost in the shuffle for both staff and students.
We like to say we are a AAA school with single A classification: academics, athletics, and the arts.
The theater arts program at CECI can be summed up in 4 words: craft, excellence, community, and innovation. That's the CECI difference.
So here at Central Music, we offer many opportunities: large group ensembles, small group ensembles, and we're here to showcase talent. We have 3 or 4 concerts a year, we perform in competitions, and we have a great school musical tradition.
At CECI, we offer a wide range of teams, and when you combine that with our small population, this means more opportunity to participate. Our small size also allows us to compete as a single A school, and our teams are often quite successful in the Thames Valley playoffs, and we have teams that advance to WASA every year.
Our house color system powers our amazing school spirit.
Our students are learning key time management skills and are emerging as well-rounded individuals.
CCI boasts one of the highest graduation rates in the board. We also have a high level of credit accumulation.
We have a growing tech department here at Central Elgin, one that's put over $50,000 in upgrades in the past 5 years.
We also offer a specialist business major, outstanding learning support, and unique programming like a combined English and history enriched dual credit.
And beyond the classroom, a reputation for creating well-rounded students ready to meet 21st century skills through a focus on global competencies.
Safe, small, success for all. That's the CECI difference in a nutshell. No one knows what next year holds for sure, but when things get back to normal around here, the ordinary day is usually pretty extraordinary. We'd love to see you here in September.